Good morning, guys. So, if you remember the last analysis we did on DXY, after DXY broke this, had a rally up, we saw DXY came and gave us all of this break. So I marked out this last bearish candle, and we had anticipation that DXY should come to at least 50% of it before we continue pushing up. Then I think DXY was around here. I think it was ending of early December, yeah, around here. So we're anticipating that DXY come to at least 50% of this last candle here. You already know what that is. So DXY actually came there, but we still have this liquidity to the upside. Yeah, that we are hoping that maybe DXY should come back to tag all of this. Okay. So now that DXY came into that zone, you can see how we've been bullish all through these weeks. We've been bullish. Now let's consider this last week. Let's say I'm seeing something interesting. So this is my last week. That's the last week. So you can see we're bullish. And I told you that there are two things you would probably want to expect. Okay. Price will either take this low and then we push higher. Okay. These are the two things you want to expect since the candle was bullish or close bullish. Now, price has opened. Price will either take the low and will take the high because we are bullish. The high is the external liquidity or the buy side. Or number two, price can just come lower without taking the previous week low and we tag the high. These are the two expectations. Okay, which then means that we're expecting bullish DXY. So probably EU and GU should drop. Okay, so let's go to the daily and let's go to the 4 hours, the correlating time frame. So if we check the 4 hours, look at daily. Daily had given us all of this break with this move up. So there are two things as I explained now. Either price will come, take out this low, we push higher. Because this is previous weekly high, previous weekly low. I don't need to label that now. Or number two, second expectation, price should come to this low. Maybe tag this liquidity here, and then we can push higher. All right. So let's see the 4 hours view. Okay, the 4 hours view is clear, it's clean. Price came into a fair value gap. You can see that huge rejection. Though I've not broken to the upside, so I can tag this as my liquidity sweep. No break to the upside yet on the 4 hours. So that price will just tag up, but I would have loved this weekly low to be taken. Yeah, maybe the low is taken, then we'll break structure around here to push higher. So that's my expectation for DXY. So we have this for DXY, then it means EU and GU should, one of them should drop very well, like one of them should drop. I can't tell. So yes. 1 minute, let's check the 1 hour. Oh, this really okay. This is another thing that could happen. This can be the sweep, and price can come back to take out this low. Maybe price can come here, take this low, and move higher. So price can either come here, take this, we move higher to give us a complete range. Low, high. Inducement, liquidity, price comes, take it out, we go higher. Or price comes, sweep this low, and then you get that. That's my expectation for DXY. So let's check EU and GU. Let's check the EU first. Though I majorly I like taking trades on GU. So let's just check. So if DXY is going to be bullish, then we expect a bearish EU and G. Okay, you can sell off this liquidity to the downside, right? You can see, and we have this zone. Looking at the weekly candle, you see that will be bearish. Okay, so if you tag out these two, clear whatever is here. If you have your eyes on the weekly, you'll discover that we have the high and then we have the low. Same bias. We are building the same bias. So at the open, price should either take this high and we come lower since we are bearish, or price, give us that break of structure around here and we go lower. So let's check the 4 hours. I'll mark my weekly high and weekly low. Let's see if there's something interesting on the 4 hours. Let's see 4 hours. Okay, I think 4 hours is clearer. We have this low captured. We have all of this low captured. And then we have this sweep at this zone. I think it's clear. We have all of this sweep. And then we have this internal liquidity or inducement liquidity. So price should capture this and then we go lower. So maybe something like this. That we come here. Since the structure is very clean here, this is what should be the anticipation for EU, right? See, okay. Yeah, this candle seems very nice. This candle seems very cool. That candle there seems very interesting. Okay. So inducement liquidity spotted. So we can have, I think EU, it's clean. I think EU, it's clean. Previous weekly high, which serves as our top range, and then the low. We look at DXY to get our bias for EU and GU. So this looks good. We might have this for display for the week. So just keep an eye. Let's check gold, okay? Let's check gold. Let's see what we could possibly put eyes on for gold. Okay, that's weekly. Yeah, we still have this standing here. If gold is bullish, would I prefer gold comes to this place, or at least take out this inducement liquidity for us to be bullish, okay? Price should at least take out this or come to this fair value gap, this inducement liquidity. 1, 2, 3. Price should take this out before we become bullish to take this high. All right. So looking at the weekly candle, we have the low standing, we have the high standing. So same principle, you want to see what price will do. Price will either tag the high and we come lower, okay, because we're expecting price to come this zone. I want to be bearish until price comes here. At least take this or tap into this. So weekly was bearish. Price can tag this high out and we go lower, okay? That's my expectation. Or we go lower without tagging the high. Yeah, these are possibilities. Price can take the high, we go lower, or we go lower without taking the high, but I'm bearish on gold. Okay, that's my current range. I'll still pick this. Let me pick this. So let's go to a 1 hour. Let's see. There's nothing interesting here. There's nothing interesting above here. So price can tag this out, we go lower. I really can't see anything there. Can't. No, I can't see anything there. So price might go lower from here. Okay, price might go lower from here. I don't know. Or price take out the high, we go lower. Okay, because this is a high, a low, a high, and a low. Okay, this is the last high, this is the low. Price might take this out. So just keep an eye on gold. I would have loved gold to be bearish. Okay, I'm bearish on gold. So let's see what price we do. Yeah, maybe price takes this out. So what you look out for, if you find, if the model it happens around here, you have that break of structure here, then we can look to sell lower.